Welcome to the Fossil Creations video by Mrs. Teetsort, Mrs. Gebhardt, and Mr. Mahoney. In this video, you should understand the conditions and methods for fossil creation. So let's take a moment to review fossils. The first type of fossil is original remains. With this fossil type, you are able to see bones, muscles, skin, and sometimes even hair that is still in place. With cast and mold fossils, the mold is the visible shape that is left after the animal or sometimes plant is buried in the sediment and then decayed away. The cast fossil will form when a hollow mold becomes filled with minerals. Petrified wood types of fossils are stone fossils of a tree. Sometimes they become covered in sediment and water goes through the sediment and into the tree cells. Minerals and water then takes the place of the cells. In carbon film fossils, this happens when dead plants or animals decay and carbon's left behind. These films show details of soft parts of animals and plants that are rarely seen in other fossils. Trace fossils includes footprints, trails, burrows, which are animal holes, that can sometimes leave you to be able to compare clues with knowledge of modern animals. You can learn about prehistoric animals, how they lived, and how they interacted. Index fossils are fossils that remain during a short period of time and were numerous and found in many places. Organisms that became index fossils lived only during a specific time period. All the different types of fossils now leads up to how fossils are created. First, the animal must die for the fossil to form. After the animal dies, flesh decays. This happens over a period of time. From there, you have bones that are covered, which leads to cavity forming inside of the rock. Once the cavity forms, minerals can fill that cavity. And at that point, time later, you have a fossil that can be excavated. That concludes the lesson on how fossils are created. Again, you should be able to understand the conditions and methods for fossil creation. The end. Thank you for watching.